Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So today is FOMC interest rate day. Definitely a very, very big news event for sure. I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event starting 30 minutes before the news drops. So definitely make sure to check that out. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, to me, all the US dollar pairs pretty much have this 1, 2, 3 shape, which makes me think that there's a very good likelihood that this is not just going to reverse from here. Now, if the news comes out and it goes down, makes like a double bottom, then goes up, then breaks structure, then at that point, I would for sure be a buyer. But it doesn't really necessarily have to do that. I mean, it could go up, make a lower high, make a lower high, go down, maybe pull back again, make a lower high, and just keep on going down. There's no doubt in my mind that the trend is down here until I see like a double bottom break a structure. I definitely am going to continue to look for sorts. Now, like I said, it looks like we're in a wave 4 to me, big time. So we want a Fibonacci retracement on the wave 3. If it is a wave 4, I would expect to see at least a 23 or a 38% pullback, maybe end up doing something like this, and then probably making another wave to the downside. I personally am definitely still focused on sorts, but like I said, if it like double bottoms and goes up and gives us a solid break of structure around the news later, then I definitely will be more than happy to stop looking for sorts and start looking for longs again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.